Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel BladU. So guys, in this video I will tell you how you can get a Windows 11 ISO file and also how to install Windows 11 ISO file on your computer. So if like me your computer uh, cannot run Windows 11 and then you can download its Windows ISO file. So I will guide you, so you need to watch this video very carefully. So first of all, go to this website. I have provided the link in description. So this website is called uupdump.net. So on this website you will be seeing this latest develop channel build. You need to click on x64 here if your system is x64. If your system is x86, then you can download from here, but mine is x64. So let's click here. After that you will be finding this update. You need to click here. Then you can choose your language here. I am selecting English United States. After that click on next. So from here you can choose any edition of Windows like Windows Home, Windows Pro, etc. So I will be selecting Windows Home. After that click on next. So once you are here, make sure to check download and convert to ISO here, and also click here include updates. After that click on create download package. Its download size will be 4.9 MB. So it is not the ISO file which is 4.9 MB. The actual download size will be almost 3 GB to 5 GB. So click on start download. Wait for it to complete. Now after that you need to go to the file you just downloaded. Here, as you can see, here is the file we just downloaded. So click on it and click on extract here, or you can select any other folder. After that you will be seeing these files. So number one is convert configure, just ignore this. Next one is UUP download Linux. It is for Linux, operating system. Next one is for Mac, and this one is for Windows. Right click on it and click on run as administrator. After you click on it, it will start to download the files, Windows ISO file. So depending on your internet speed, it will take from few minutes to 1 or 2 hours. So guys, once it is downloaded, you need to press 0. After that, a Windows 11 ISO folder or ISO file will appear in the folder where you placed your downloads. Now after that you need a bootable Windows 11 install disk. So you will be needing at least 8 GB storage of USB flash drive. So to make it bootable, I'm suggesting some videos in the description, so you can check them out. After you make a bootable install disk, you need to copy and paste all the files into your bootable USB flash drive. So once you have pasted all the files in your USB flash drive, now you can boot your target PC off the USB installation drive. You may need to hit a key or rearrange boot in order to boot from USB. Like you might need to press F9, F10 depending upon your PC. After that, you will be needing to select language and then click next. After that, you need to enter valid product key. So in our case, we are downloading Windows 11 ISO file. So just click on I don't have product key and click next. After that, accept license agreements and click next. Then select custom install. After that, choose the installation drive and click next. The installer will copy some files and may reboot at this point. After that, select your country or region if it's not selected and click yes. And also select your keyboard layout when prompted. After that, you can name your PC and click next. Then next step will be to sign in into your Microsoft account. Then next step will be to create a PIN for quick logins. After that, you can click set up a new device or you can just restore to previous configuration. Then next step will be enable or disable privacy settings and click next. Another step will be select your interest to help customize Windows 11 recommendation, or better yet click skip. So you can just skip that. Next step will be set up OneDrive and or select only store files on this device. After that, Windows will take a few minutes to complete the install process, and when it's done, you should see Windows 11 desktop. Now you can use your Windows 11 on your system. That's all, guys. If you want more such videos, tech related or gaming related, then make sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe this channel. I will be seeing you guys in next video. Goodbye.